All right, everybody, I'm going to show you how to replace the front marker light on a 2007 Jaguar XJ. This is an XJ8, but boy, this is a really tight fit. So this is what it looks like when it's off, and I'm actually waiting for a new bulb socket because this one was actually pretty bad. It was pretty fried, and this is how the side marker light looks, and it's actually has two plastic clips, little springs on the ends of it. So, and it has this little plastic part that goes right in here, and then the bottom of this is angled a little bit, so it's gonna basically need to come out kind of like that, sort of, you know. And I use this plastic pry tool not to scratch the paint, but boy, it is really tight in there. You're really just gonna have to, when it's in there, you know, you're really gonna have to just, you know, get the tool, pry it down on one end and down on the other end, and just be brave because this thing was really tight in there. I actually was worried I was gonna break it. So, and actually I did a little bit. There's I had to re-glue this thing back on, this little little orange lens, but now it's fine. But yeah, just to warn you, there's no access from underneath the car or this taking off this rear cover, which I tried before, and you gotta just pry it out on both ends, and good luck.